Welcome back, fellow content creators and aspiring YouTubers. Today, we have something special in store for you. Get ready to dive into the ultimate guide to YouTube automation, increasing income and engagement on Autopilot. Yes, you heard it right, we're about to unlock the secrets of transforming your YouTube channel into a revenue-generating machine while engaging your viewers effortlessly. Before we jump into the strategies and techniques, let's first understand the power of automation. In the fast-paced world of YouTube, time is precious. Automation enables you to streamline your workflow and focus on what truly matters, creating exceptional content that resonates with your audience. So, how can you harness the power of automation? Let's explore some key techniques that will help you increase your income and engagement on Autopilot. The first step towards YouTube automation is understanding your audience. Take advantage of analytics tools to gain insights into your viewers' preferences, demographics, and behavior. By understanding what they enjoy, you can tailor your content to meet their expectations and increase engagement. Now, let's talk about scheduling your videos. With automation tools, you can plan and schedule your content in advance. This ensures a consistent presence on your channel and helps you maintain a reliable upload schedule, which builds trust and loyalty with your audience. Editing videos can be time-consuming, but with automation, you can simplify the process. Explore video editing software that offers batch processing, automated effects, and even AI-powered editing tools. This way, you can save time and deliver high-quality content without compromising on creativity. Thumbnails play a crucial role in attracting viewers to your videos. Automate the creation of eye-catching thumbnails by utilizing templates or tools that generate thumbnails based on your video content. This consistent and visually appealing approach will entice viewers to click and watch. To increase your YouTube income, you need to expand your reach. Automation can assist you in optimizing your video titles, tags, and descriptions for search engine optimization, SEO. By leveraging keyword research tools and automation software, you can boost your video's discoverability, attracting more views and potential revenue. Engaging with your viewers is key to building a loyal community. Utilize automation tools to schedule and publish responses to comments, as well as engage with your audience on social media platforms. This proactive approach keeps your viewers connected, fosters meaningful conversations, and enhances overall engagement. Congratulations! You now possess the knowledge to transform your YouTube channel through automation. Remember, by analyzing your audience, scheduling your videos, automating editing processes, creating captivating thumbnails, optimizing for SEO, and engaging with your viewers, you're setting yourself up for success. Thank you for joining us on this journey through the ultimate guide to YouTube automation. Now, go ahead and implement these strategies. Embrace the power of automation and watch as your income and engagement soar on Autopilot. The ultimate guide to YouTube automation, increasing income and engagement on Autopilot.